All right, so let's see how we can set our delivery time. Now here, the basic one here, I'm going to set the delivery time to be 1 day, since we have indicated that we can do this in 24 hours, right? From this point here, you need to make sure that your information follow the top. Now, move to the standard design delivery time. So the standard design delivery time, I'm putting it 2 days. Then move to golden package, I'm putting it to be 3 days. All right. Now move to design concept. Here, I'm providing a single design concept. Here also, I'm providing a single design concept. Here also, I'm providing 2 design concepts. Then here, I need to modify some things here. I'm not going to provide print ready file here. I'm not going to provide print ready file, so I'm going to cancel that. So good quality design 300 dp plus, so I will say high quality JPEG. So that's what I'm going to provide for this gig, plus high quality JPEG stroke PNG file. Okay, plus unlimited revision in 24 hours. But here I'm providing source file PDF, the same thing here. So now you can see the difference here. Now size of variation, so it's going to be 1 here. Then size of variation here, so it's going to be 1. I'm not doing multiple variation size. 1. So here simply means that if a client needs 2 banner, so and if a client needs 2 or 3 banner, so each banner has a different size, right? So which means that you are going to charge for 3 banner, not a single one or for a single 2 banner. So that is what that means. Then the next one here is mock-up design. So I can decide to offer mock-up for the good and decide to offer mock-up for this. But for the basic one, I don't have a mock-up for that. Then here I will provide source file. Here I will provide source file. Okay. Then number of time revision, I will come here. Always put unlimited revision so that it make customer patronize you. Then unlimited revision also. You come here, unlimited revision. Is it okay? Now we move to the price segment. Under this basic price, I'm putting it $10. So you need to click on this arrow here, the top arrow here. It means I'm putting it $10. Then for my standard price, I'm putting it $15. Then for my good price, I'm putting it to be $25. Okay, so you can determine the size, the price of your services depends on whatever you want to do. So now additional information here is add extra service charge. So most time all these are not necessary, so you don't need to stress yourself. So all you have to do is to come down below here and click on save and continue. So let's see the next page of our gig creation. All right, so this is where you write your gig description. Like I explained everything from the beginning of this our class. So we have to come down here, and this is where you had your description. Now we have I have my description here on MS Word already. What I'm going to do is to just press Ctrl A and Control C to make a copy. Then I will go back to my Fiverr here, and I will right click on here. I'll click on paste, just to paste the description. Simple as that. Let's see. Wow, so the description has been pasted right here, so you can see. Now, one thing here is that your description must not be exceeding 1,200 characters. That's first thing you need to take note, because here a lot of people make it in the do it in a wrong way. So now here I will make sure that the heading here, I will make it bold. You click on bold after you highlight. Okay, and it's not bold enough. Let me highlight again and bold. Okay. So now you can see it has been bold. So then here I will just press enter so that it creates more space. So guarantee, I think this spelling is not correct. Guarantee. Okay. Then let me see which one again. So now the next thing we have to do now to be sure if our gig description is correct, now you will know. Now in some cases, if you want to add FAQ question, you have to come here and click on add FAQ question. But for this gig, I don't need FAQ question. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on save and continue. Wow. Description contain excessive use of the terms banner and design. Now, this is where some problem lies. This simply means that this description has excessive banner and design. So you need to take note of this thing. The term you use must not be more than 5 in your description gig. So now I have about one banner here, then where again another one banner here, that's 2, and another banner here, 3, another banner here, 4. All right, so we have 4 at the top. If I scroll down here, I have another banner here also, 5. That's the maximum banner tags I can add on this description. So I have to delete this. Okay, so let me see if I have another banner. Okay, I think I have 5 banner now, 5 banner tags. Now another tags here that give me issue here is design. So I have to look for what are the number of time I have design on this gig description. The first one here is let me check design. We have one here, then we have one here, that's 2, then 2, then another one here, 3, another one here, 4, another one here, 5. So now we need to make sure that we don't have it here again. Design. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so let's try now. We have 5 times we have design, 5 times we have banner. So continue, let's see the result. I think we still have the same issue, so I have to go back to the gig description again, and I've done a lot of banner design for various companies, and my creative design is of no doubt, so I have to do some things here. Okay, let me say with creative graphic. So let me cancel design here, then I'll put full stop here, and let's try it again. Save and continue. Wow, so we still have the same issue here. So now what I'm going to do next is that Let me see. Okay, let me see if billboard banner retractable. Okay, let me say if I cancel this sentence here. I have done a lot of banner design and cancel that, and my creative. Okay. So here says standing in 24, and for sure you are getting a creative design concept, and my creative design is of no doubt. So I'm changing this to creative graphic work. Okay, so let's go back and click on continue, save and continue. Still have the same issue here. Okay, let me see what we can do again. I'll provide the best person to know that. And okay, let me say where to design billboard banner. Banner. Okay, where search no further, I will design a standing. This needs to be there. For sure you are getting no doubt. Okay, let me say if I will have to close this sentence. Let me close that sentence. I will be the perfect person to provide you with creative graphic. So let's try and see that if it's going to go. Save and continue. Still have the same issue. So we have to continue to make adjustment until we are good to go. Now I think I will have to cancel this. Okay, and let me see. Save and continue. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, no problem. We'll continue to make the adjustments until we are able to move on. If you've been looking for where to design billboard banner, Finley banner, pop-up banner, pull-up, and business, search no further. We design a standing project, and for sure you are creating a creative graphic work concept. I will be the perfect person. Okay, what I will do now is that I will Control A and then Control C. Then I will come here and I will create a new. Okay, let me make use of this. Control A, then Control V. So I will paste it here. Then I'll press Control A again, Control Z again. Then I will come here, Control V. Right? Let's try that. Then I'll click on save and continue now. Let's see. You see? So in some time, this is the most crazy part of gig creation. So you just have to make sure that you follow the information as regards. So now this is where we need to forward gig requirement. Now here you will need to add some question. So I will have to come. You have to come here and gig requirements. So you come here, click on add new question. So when you click on add new question, then you come here and make your type. So now I will say hello, and I say thank you for choosing my gig service. Please, before I get started, on your design project, kindly provide me the following information. So what are the information? Then I will press enter key on my keyboard. I will say specific size, specific banner size, width, and height. That's first one. Then second one, I will say your brand color scheme or preferred color for the design. Then another point here is your logo in Illustrator or EPS or JPEG or PNG or each other one, Corel Draw. Okay, then enter. Then your images for the banner, if any. Enter again. Then another one thing to ask here is what again? What again? Oh, what again? So your design text in MS Word file. Alright, so these are the things I need to get your work done. So I will just press enter. Thank you. So you need to know what are the requirements you will need for the client before you can work on their project. So that is the question you are going to ask here. So when you are done with your question, then you come here, click on add. So the question is going to add at the top, you can see right here. Then come here, click on save and continue.